the tiny mound with mighty gardening power. Molehill soil. It has all sorts of uses in and around the garden, so let's have a cheer for nature's hidden helpers going about the business, minding their own. Stick around for a top tip. These molehills turned out to be just what I needed for a particular job. Disguising this pond liner. The clay subsoil covered the pond bottom. This gives me plenty of planting medium. But I needed more soil to cover the top, like so. And molehill soil can be used for other things too, such as filling tubs and troughs. It's great for deep-rooted vegetables. Carrots and parsnips love the deep soft soil for growing nice and straight. Now then, back to this pond. These hills were nice and close to the pond, but I didn't start with them. I started by digging the hills from the far side of that second field beyond the fence, gradually working my way closer to the pond. This meant shorter journeys from molehills to pond as the day went on. Now this is a good tip for any job involving moving stuff about, which is all jobs. As you get tired, these shorter trips are slightly less soul destroying. So what else can you do? You can also use molehill soil for filling seed trays. It's nice and fine, and young seedlings like finer soil. You can also fill the pots when the seedlings need potting on. Add molehill soil to tubs and containers for larger plants. And it's not just for deep-rooted stuff. So here's the finished pond. We just need some rain to fill it up so I can plant it up. But it's made a nice, neat job. Thank you, moles. You're awesome. Have a splendid day. See you in the next one.